Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the comic book look filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the effect gallery. Then you can tap on this search button and you can search for comic book. Comic book look. Okay, remember this image on the top, tap on it. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. You can increase the dots. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from the search, then what you can do, go to your For You page. Let me go to the For You page. Okay, and here search for comic book filter. Okay, you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow, tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.